This is all my movie ticket stuff. That's all that's there. That's all that's left in there. And then I have Rudolph, and maybe I'll put this above the other prongs there. Okay, that's gonna go there. And I think I'll just go ahead and put him here on the page. I probably could have had him swinging too, actually, now that I think about it, and I could have put photos underneath him, but it's too late now. He's going there. Now, I have, this is the kit, so maybe I could put that there somehow, and I'm going to print out the pictures. Okay, so I think I have a plan. As you can see, I did all this. I'm going to put this family fun activity on here, and then I'm going to do some stuff on this side. I'm not going to put everything down though, because I think I'm going to make a pocket for these, and I'm using them as journaling cards. I'm going to put this here, and then I think I'm just going to go ahead and glue these two right like that. I could make this a pocket though. Maybe I'll make this a pocket. Let's see. I'll make this one a pocket. Unfortunately, those journaling cards won't fit in this pocket, but I can put something else in here if I want to. Whoops, let's get you out of the way. So that's going there. He's going here. And then I have 4 photos that are going to go down here. They're mounted on pink, but I will show those after I get Bethany's face covered a little bit. Okay, so these are good. This is going here. There we go. Alright, and I think I'm going to round the corners on these, and for now I'm just going to put them in this pocket. So that's how that's going to play out. And that may not have been on camera, so I will show you in a sec what I was talking about in case it wasn't on camera. Okay, so I'm going to take these journaling cards, whoops, and they're going to go in this pocket right here. I guess I was on camera. Okay, I may not keep them in there forever, but that's where they're going for now. This has so much glue on it, it looks terrible, but it is what it is. Okay, and then over here I'm just going to put Bethany's photos down, and I will show you when I'm all done. And then over here we have all this Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer cookie stuff, and I put Bethany's pictures, I mounted them on pink paper. And this is a pocket, so I could put a tag in there if I want to someday. And yeah, and so that is it for all of my Christmas ephemera, except I do still have this. But I didn't get this after Christmas in the mail, so maybe what I'll do is I'll have this be a pocket for some of this movie ephemera. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me use what I would normally throw out as cute ephemera in my junk journal. And we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.